Okay, this is your Excel sheet. Like before, I explained you what is Excel. Actually, Excel is a software which is used to manipulate your data, right? Calculate your data. You can see file is also appear in here. Like in a Word document, we rate the file option, home, insert button, page layout button, formula button. Formula which was not present in your Excel, but which was not present in your Word document. A formula and data is the new tab which is appear in your Excel, and you can see this is called the Excel sheet. This is sheet 1, and you can add more sheet 2, sheet 3, whatever you want to. And Excel is appear, this is called the columns, A2 onward, and this is the rows 1 to onward. So this is Excel columns and Excel rows, because we have to put data in forms of column, in forms of row. Let's suppose I'm putting the name, right, and then subject like Islamiyat, uh, and your computer marks and your science marks. So I'm just putting my data. I'm just for the arrow key, I'm going from left to right by the default of by the using of the arrow key. Science, Islamiyat, maths, right? And if I want to go down the word, so I will use the arrow key. So this is the way: left key, right key, arrow key, up and down arrow. This is the arrow key, and otherwise you can move by the using of mouse. The intersection of the column and rows is called the cell. This individual is called the cell. Each cell have a address. And what is the address? Address is like C3, because my cell pointing is position of D column and third row. So this is the D3 address of this cell, right? Where I write the math, the address of the math cell is E1, right? The column is E and the row is 1. So this is the Excel sheet, and we have insert option, we have page layout, like you can do like any page formatting, coloring, whatever, page setting, margin, orientation, you can do that. And there is a formulas. This is the new tab which is in use, which use in Excel. Formula mean you can auto sum, you can subtract, you can divide, you can multiply, you can percentage. So these are all the option. More functioning, there is a many statistical tool, average, right? This is all the statistical tools which is used in a high level. Math and trick, it's mean you can any options of maths you can use in that. And here is the data. Data mean you want to, how you can uh, uh, manipulate your data. You can filter your data, you can organize your data, you can color your data, you can graphs your data, right? So it's mean there is a more option. And review, view, this is the same like in your Word document. So this is called the worksheet, right? It's not a slide, it's not a document, is not a any pictorial things. This is sheet. Excel is called the sheet, right? So